Hello everyone, my name is Adrian Allen, CEO with Lunalight Drone Show Technologies. Today is a special day for us because it's July 4th, it's Independence. The sky is going to be lit bright tonight by Lunalight.
I'm expecting to see a lot of beautiful lights in the sky. I've seen a couple drone shows before and they always impress me every time, so I'm super excited.
I loved it. I have never seen something like that before.
It was very pretty and we took lots of photos.
I like it, it's something different.